All right, so this is the apartment. So as I said, it's fully furnished. You can see what the furniture looks like. That is what it looks like from that point. This is also going to give you an indication on how much noise you get from the road. As I previously said and mentioned, the slight noise, it's close to the main road, but the road itself is not as busy. It does get very busy in summer, but I mean, this is more of what it feels like. So at this stage, I've got the sliding door locked. Feel it? There's nothing, there's no noise. I'll wait a bit for a car to go through, and then you can feel the difference. It's a bit windy in Cape Town and it's rainy. All right, there's a car. That's what it feels like. If I open the door, that's the difference. That's what it feels like with the sliding door open. That's the shopping center. This is slightly off. There we go. The shopping center is off the way. That is what it looks like. That's that. That's the noise. One step to the beach, and as I said, that you can't get everything. If you want the views, then you gotta get some noise. There are two cars coming. Feel it? Okay. There's more cars. Let me open. You feel the difference? If you lock it. Nothing. Okay, so that's the lounge. That's the kitchen. Not bad. It's beautiful. Beautiful kitchen. That's the stove. That's the kitchen right there. And then here, this is the first bedroom. Let me just turn the camera, give it a nice look. That's the first bedroom. You've got two beds in there. There we go, two beds. That's your sliding door. This is what we got there. This is the second bedroom. Roll the camera again. That's what you get. Roll it over. That's what you get. Not bad for the second bedroom. This is the shared toilet. There's a washing machine there. There we go. That's that. And now we're going to the main bedroom. Look at that. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. There we go. What it looks like. Again, I've left that door open. You can hear the noise from the road. See, that is how it is. See that. That is with the door open. You can hear the cars. But if you lock it, there's no noise. So obviously, I can say there's no noise. So yeah, that's what we've got here. It's Seaside Village, very beautiful. Basement parking, 24/7 security, quite secure, lock up and go. And as I said, we've got it for 30,000 Rand. And yeah, so let me know. That's that. Thank you for looking at my video.